In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Squarespace. Countdown timers are a fantastic way to create urgency, build anticipation, or highlight an upcoming event on your website, whether you're running a sale, promoting an event, or launching a product. Adding a timer can significantly enhance user engagement, and the good news is, Squarespace makes this process simple and intuitive. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace dashboard. This is your starting point to access and edit your website. Logging in ensures that you're in the right workspace where all your site content is stored. Once you're in, take a moment to verify that you're in the correct website workspace. If you manage multiple websites under your account, you'll want to double-check this step to avoid making changes to the wrong site. It's a quick but important precaution. Next, locate and click the Edit button to enter the Site Editor mode. This mode gives you the ability to make changes to your website's content and layout. Keep in mind, any changes you make here won't go live until you save them, so you can experiment without worry. Now, to add the countdown timer, you'll need to insert a new block onto your page. Blocks are the building elements of your Squarespace site and are used to add features like text, images, or functional elements like timers. Depending on your template, you can usually find the option to add a block either at the top or bottom of an existing section. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, just hover over the section until the option appears. From the list of available blocks, select the Embed block. The Embed block is what allows you to insert custom code or external content into your site. Once you've added the Embed block, double-click on it to open its settings. Look for an icon that resembles a code symbol or a label like Edit to access the settings panel. Within the settings, you'll see an option to choose what kind of content you want to embed. Make sure to select the code snippet option. This step is crucial because it tells Squarespace to interpret what you're adding as code rather than just a plain URL. If you paste the code as plain text, it won't function properly and might even disrupt your site's layout, so be careful to choose the right option here. Now it's time to add your countdown timer code. Paste the code into the provided field within the code snippet settings. This is what will bring the countdown timer functionality to life on your page. Before moving on, double-check the code to ensure there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. Even a small error could prevent the timer from displaying correctly. Before finalizing anything, click the Preview in Safe Mode option. This feature allows you to test how the code behaves without impacting your site's stability. It's a great way to ensure everything is working as expected before making the changes live. Take a moment to review the countdown timer's preview on your page. Does it look right? If the timer doesn't display correctly, go back to the code and check for any mistakes. Adjust as needed until it appears as it should. Once you're satisfied with how the timer works, click Save to make your changes live. This step is what pushes the changes to your published site, so visitors will now be able to see the countdown timer. Finally, check how the timer looks on both desktop and mobile views. Squarespace is designed to create responsive websites, but it's always a good idea to confirm that the timer displays properly across all devices. This ensures a consistent and professional appearance, no matter how your visitors access your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a countdown timer to your Squarespace website. This feature can now help you drive action, engage your audience, or build excitement for your next big event. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.